Hello, my name is Bill Waldo, and my company is called Vantages Small Business Consulting. We primarily do consulting work for emerging entrepreneurs, and we also consult for TriTech, which is part of the Small Business Development Centers and is sponsored by the Small Business Administration, some colleges, and some grant money. If you are one of the fortunate ones to qualify as a TriTech client, you'll be happy to know that there will be no cost to you. Now, as an active member of the area's two largest angel networks, I typically spend the majority of my time helping entrepreneurs become investor ready. We typically begin with a PowerPoint presentation, what I call a compelling PowerPoint presentation. And that starts with the elevator pitch. That's that opportunity for the entrepreneur to have about 30 to 45 seconds to articulate his business model to the group. Then we go into that pain that's been discovered in the market and the remedies for that pain or the solutions. We go into the go-to-market strategy at that point. We want to identify what intellectual property do we have? What are the barriers to entry? Do we have patents? Do we have patents pending? Or do we have provisional patents? But we want to know what intellectual property is available. Who are the competitors out there that we've identified? How big is the market? Is this product truly scalable? And of the market size that we have identified, what percentage do we hope to capture with our business model? What are the sales channels that we've identified? How are we going to get the product to market? Of the marketing campaign that you've done and all the marketing research, have we proven that the dog will in fact actually eat the dog food? In other words, do we have buyers that are willing to buy the product? Then we talk about the management team. We should have biographies on the management team, and if there's an advisory board, a brief biography of the advisory board members and the value that they bring to the company. Then we get into the deal. We start with the pre-money valuation, which is the valuation that you have on your company, the amount of money you're trying to raise, and how do you plan on using those funds? How much money has been raised thus far, and from whom? And has the management team put money into the company? If so, how much? Also, we want to talk about what percentage is the entrepreneur offering to the members for the capital they're trying to raise. Then we show a 5-year financial projection. We want to show a good, solid growth of 5 years. And we typically focus right to the 5th year. We want to see what is the projected gross revenue for year number 5? What is the cost of goods, projected margins, and the projected net revenue? Then we go to what is typically the final slide, and that's the exit strategy. Who are we going to sell the company to? Who are the most likely suitors that would buy this company? And based on our research, we're going to sell it for this price, and we're going to use this multiple, and it's based on those companies in the past that have sold their companies at that level. So you take this 15-minute PowerPoint presentation, which is typically the length of it, and you practice its delivery. You want to spend time on the content, but you also want to spend time on the sequence of the slides and concentrate on the delivery. It's the content, sequence of slides, and how you deliver it to the members typically will increase your chances of getting investor interest.